Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading around $22,900. As long-term investors, should we continue accumulating Bitcoin deep in the crypto bear market? Bitcoin is still down 47.9% in the last 1 year, but I've seen Bitcoin rally up 35.4% in the last 1 month. In this video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be comparing Bitcoin's current bear market with its previous bear market in 2018. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum, and we'll take a look at Bitcoin's market cap. Bitcoin's market cap is around $442 billion. How long will it take us to rally back to that $1 billion region? And is the bottom in for Bitcoin? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bitcoin started 2023 on a very bright note, pumping by more than 40% in the first month of the year, but we're still deep in crypto bear market. Bitcoin is down 47.9% on a yearly time frame. Bitcoin was trading at $47,500 sometime in 2022. We have seen it dump to as low as $15,500 before the end of the bear market. But it doesn't mean the bottom is in for Bitcoin. We have seen Bitcoin dump to Goblin Town from an all-time high of 69,000 where we got to in November 2021. Bitcoin has gone down more than 77%, dropping to as low as 15,500. But guys, in the bear market, it's the best time to accumulate, getting ready for the next bull run. If you take a look at this Bitcoin investor tool, the 2-year multiplier, anytime Bitcoin is below the green line, that has been a good time to buy Bitcoin in the past. Anytime Bitcoin approaches the red line, that has always been a good time to sell Bitcoin in the past. And right now, we're currently below the green line. And all bear markets that Bitcoin has been below that green line, that has been a good buying opportunity. We saw that happen in 2011. That was a very good time to buy Bitcoin when we were below the green line. We also saw that happen in 2015 and 2016 when we were below the green line, which is Bitcoin's 2-year moving average. That was a good time to buy Bitcoin. Also in 2018 bear market, we were also below that green line Bitcoin 2-year moving average. That was another good time to buy Bitcoin for the long term. And right now, we're currently in another bear market, which is another good time to buy Bitcoin. And guys, according to this 2-year multiplier tool, Bitcoin is supposed to be trading around the $37,000 region. And Bitcoin is currently trading around $22,900. So for long-term investors, this is a good opportunity to accumulate some Bitcoin, getting ready for the next bull run. Remember guys, when you're buying cryptocurrencies, you don't want to go all in. You want to take your time and dollar cost average through the process. You want to do the same thing when we're buying and when we're selling at the top, the same way you want to sell out of the market. You don't want to go all in because we're in the bear market and we can still easily go down. Right now, Bitcoin has found support at the $15,500 region, but there's always a possibility we may even see Bitcoin heading to lower prices. Even though I believe the bottom is probably in for Bitcoin, if you take a look at what happened in the previous bear market bottom for Bitcoin, after Bitcoin was down more than 84%, we saw a rally that started going to the upside, and that rally took us to as high as $13,000. That rally in 2018, entering 2019, went up by more than 323%, and it all happened in a 191-day period. Now, if you take a look at what Bitcoin is currently doing in this bear market, we've seen it find support at that $15,500 region, and this rally we're currently having in Bitcoin is up around 45%. And since when the rally started, since mid-November, we have seen Bitcoin spend the next 80 days rallying to higher prices. I don't believe we have gotten to the end of the rally. We still have maybe just maybe one final pump to the upside. If you take a look at what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market, you see that when the RSI was already at the upper end, when a lot of people were having started selling out, and that was in April 2019, that was when the real pump started for Bitcoin. So right now, that RSI is almost at the same region as we saw Bitcoin get to in April 2019. So will Bitcoin just start giving us that one final pump to the upside that we're looking for? Because guys, if Bitcoin is going to rally as fast as we saw this rally occur for Bitcoin in 2019, we just saw Bitcoin go up around 246% in 90 days. Probably the next 90 days might be very, very critical for Bitcoin. We might just see Bitcoin the next 90 days rally its way towards $30,000, maybe even getting to as high as $37,000. I believe Bitcoin can get that high before the end of this relief rally. If Bitcoin is going to do that in the next 90 days, from where we're currently trading right now, Bitcoin should get to around $37,000. Maybe at some point in time in May or June 2023. Guys, remember, just the fact that the RSI is going to the upside doesn't mean the rally is coming to an end. But long-term investors were buying Bitcoin in anticipation of how high Bitcoin can get to by the end of the next bull run. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, time is your friend, and you want to make money investing long term, you have to be willing to hold through a long period of bear market action. In the bear markets, when you want to be filling your bags, and when we get to the bull market, when everybody's shouting, we're going to the moon, that's when you want to be selling for some profits. Deep in the bear market, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Deep in the bear market is where you want to be accumulating your bags. Right now, Bitcoin is down 47%. A lot of people are expecting lower prices, shorting the market as we're pumping to higher prices. If you're a long-term investor, you want to stay clear of shorting the market. We want to only benefit when the market is going up. If it's dumping to gobbling town, we'll enter our accumulation mode. And when we start going to higher prices, we will sit on our hands waiting for the market to do the job for us. But there's always a possibility that the bottom is not in for Bitcoin, the bear market. There's always a possibility that Bitcoin is doing something different in this bear market. And that $12,000 region looks as if it's going to be very, very juicy. If Bitcoin starts breaking below 15,500, we might see a lot of market participants start selling, start panicking, and that will be the time to go all in. That will be the time to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. I still believe we'll see Bitcoin pumping to new all-time highs in the future. I believe in this relief rally, if we get to that $35,000, $37,000 region, Bitcoin might get rejected. But right now, it's a good time to accumulate. If you take a look at what this 2-year multiplier effect is showing us, it's telling us that if all things were equal, Bitcoin should be trading around the $37,000 region. That's what Bitcoin will be trading if Bitcoin was trading at its 2-year moving average. But Bitcoin is trading below $37,000, so we might just see Bitcoin gap to that $37,000 region and blast above it just like we did in 2019, or we might see Bitcoin, worst case scenario, work its way towards that $7,000 region and slowly grind its way above it. If you take a look at some details about Bitcoin in this bear market, in the last 1 year, Bitcoin has gone from as high as $48,000 to as low as $15,600. With a market cap of $442 billion, Bitcoin has a fully diluted market cap of $481 billion. Currently ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin has over 3.7 million people that have it on their watch list. Bitcoin has more than 19.2 million coins in circulation out of a maximum 21 million coins. If you want to get some Bitcoin for yourself in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, Bitcoin dominance around 43.4%. We saw Bitcoin dominance in this bear market even get to as high as 48%, but that was in June of 2022. I believe in this bear market, we're going to see Bitcoin dominance blast to higher values. I believe we'll see Bitcoin dominance at some point in time get to that 50% region. For long-term Bitcoin investors, that will be music to your ears. I say accumulating Bitcoin in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run. Bitcoin has always been the king of the market. Bitcoin has always been the driving force for the cryptocurrency market. And by the end of the next bull run, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin blasting above $100,000, maybe even getting to $250,000 by the end of the next bull run. If you take a look at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum, Bitcoin is currently underperforming against Ethereum. We have seen Bitcoin since September 2019 constantly dumped gobbling town against Ethereum. But I believe the reverse will be the case very, very soon. We'll soon see Bitcoin outperforming Ethereum. That's what usually happens in the bear market. In the previous bear market, we saw Bitcoin outperform Ethereum by more than 600%. So how high will Bitcoin outperform Ethereum in this bear market? Only time will tell. Bitcoin's market cap is currently at the $442 billion region. That's a very critical level for Bitcoin's market cap. We got rejected around that region in August 2022. If Bitcoin's market cap continues rallying up to higher prices, we might face some heavy resistance at that $600 billion region. But if the bottom is not in for Bitcoin and we're seeing Bitcoin head to $12,000, the market cap of Bitcoin might drop to as low as $250 billion. From where we're currently trading right now, Bitcoin's market cap will just drop another 42% for us to get to that $253 billion region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still accumulating more Bitcoin right now, deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you think the bottom is in for Bitcoin? How high do you see Bitcoin getting to by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.